Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2015 KTM 1290 Super Adventure. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 KTM 1290 Super Adventure, with 4,251 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, TPMS, and electronic suspension, keyless ignition, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with KTM saddlebags, and we have replaced both tires. Powered by a 1301cc V-twin engine, the Super Adventure puts 160 horsepower and 103 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Super Adventure has a 220 to 260-mile range. It has a 474-pound wet weight and a 33.5-inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts and installed new tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are chips on the crash guard, a scratch on the fuel tank, scratches on the handguard, scratches and dents on the saddlebag, and scratches on the luggage rack. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.